Hello Sokne, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for this beautiful Cadillac Escalade. This vehicle is in very good conditions, brand new tires, very clean, black outside, black interior, leather interior. The kilometers is 128,870, and the price there was $59,88, but right now they've been discount $500. Right now it's a $15,588 plus taxes. Fully safety certified, ready to go use. Four by four. The running boards works automatic when you open the door, open and close, and stay outside. If you have more questions, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.